Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to clip or crop any data on the map using MAPOG. As you can see on the map, I've added Nigeria's local government boundary data. Now, I want to create a cropped layer that only contains 6 specific local governments in Nigeria. From the Action button, go to Advanced Tools and select the Clip tool. Choose the layer you want to crop the data from. Click on Draw Shape and start drawing the area you want to crop. Important: make sure that the entire shape you draw is inside the polygon you want to keep. The border should not overlap or extend outside the shape. Simply put, the shape you draw should fully enclose the area you want to crop. Double-click to finish the shape drawing. Once you've drawn your shape, click Submit. A new cropped layer will be added. To see your cropped data, hide the previous layer. Now you can see the layer with the 6 local governments in Nigeria. You can check the data table for your clipped layer by clicking Show Data Table under the Action button of that layer. If you want to label the polygons, select the attribute name for the label. Set the font and color and click Save Label. And here we go. You've now clipped your data and can display only the specific local governments you need. Clipping data in MAPOG is simple and efficient, helping you focus on exactly the areas you need. If you have any questions or need personalized support, feel free to email us at support@mapog.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Stay tuned for more ways MAPOG can simplify mapping for you. Thank you for watching, and happy mapping!